Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to download and install audio driver on your device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your or click on the start icon and search for run. Okay. So once you've searched for run, let me just move it right here. You want to search for devmgmt.msc. Okay, click on OK. Now you want to click on sound, video, and game controllers. So once you've clicked on that, click on action, add legacy hardware, click on next. You want to choose the search for and install the hardware automatically. Click on next. So here, click on next. Scroll down, and here, if you do not see the hardware category, click show all devices. Select the type of hardware you are installing. So let me just go ahead and click on sound and video, and game controllers, click on next. So here you just need to click on Realtek, click on next, and then just go ahead and click on next to start installing your new hardware. Okay, so the next step may take a while, so what you need to do is to just go ahead and wait for it, and then once it is done installing, you just need to restart your device. Okay, so once you've restarted your device, it should fix your problem. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.